Good morning, students. Welcome to IIT Foundation Mathematics online classes. Regularly watch my videos, children. Okay, very good. So, in the previous lesson, we have discussed about introduction about trigonometry, angles, how to measure the angles, types of angles. Okay, and trigonometry ratios definition, trigonometry ratios table, trigonometry ratio for certain angles, trigonometry ratios for negative angles, some worksheet problems to solve it. Today, I am going to explain about trigonometric identities. So, what are the identities? I think all of you know about algebraic identities. A plus b whole square is equal to what, children? A square plus b square plus 2ab. So what is the meaning of identity? Left hand side value is equal to right hand side value. There is only nothing but identity. A plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2a plus b square. Or a minus b whole square equal to what? A square minus 2a plus b square. Those are called algebraic identities. Here trigonometric identities. That means here some trigonometric ratios equal to other trigonometric ratios. So first one is sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1 or cos square a plus sin square a equal to 1. So how we got it this identity? So shall we prove this one? So look at the board. Let us consider ABC one right angle triangle. Okay. If I consider angle at A, it is nothing but theta. Consider ABC one right angle triangle. I consider angle at the vertex A. Now we know hypotenuse, we know opposite, we know adjacent. Already we learned in the definition of trigonometric ratios. And we already know about Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem? In any right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. Is nothing but ABC is a right angle triangle. AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. This is called Pythagoras theorem. Let it be equation 1. This expression equal to 1. Now, dividing each term of equation 1 by AC square. So, what we got in AB square by AC square plus BC square by AC square is equal to AC square by AC square. Now, square is common. So, that's why we write AB by AC whole square. BC square by AC square. Again square is common. So I write as fraction BC by AC whole square. AC square by AC square. I will write AC by AC whole square. These two are equal only. Okay. Now AB by AC. Which definition? See, AB by AC. Here theta is there. Which trigonometric definition that is? That is nothing but adjacent side of the hypotenuse. Which trigonometric definition? Cos theta. Very good. So here cos square A. AB by AC equal to cos A. So cos square A. You no need to write theta. Nothing but A can take. Okay. So next BC by AC. Angle opposite side what? BC. What is the hypotenuse? AC. Opposite by hypotenuse. Which trigonometric definition? Sin theta. So here A is there, that's why sin A whole square. BC by AC means sin A whole square is equal to AC by AC how much? 1. 1 power 2 means 1. That is what you got in cos square A plus sin square equal to 1. Let it be equation 2. Or you can write sin square A plus cos square equal to 1 because addition satisfies commutative property. So cos square plus sin square is equal to 1 or sin square plus cos square is also 1. This is true for all A such that the angle lies between 0 to 90 degrees. This value true for all the trigonometric first standard angles 0 to 90. Understood first trigonometric identity how it is came? First, what is the first trigonometric identity? Sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1 or cos square A plus sin square A equal to 1. This is the proof what we got it. Next we go for second identity. Second identity. What is second identity? 1 plus tan square A equal to secant square A. Shall we define the proof? Okay, same. Okay, triangle we can consider, same equation we can consider. But here, equation 1, say AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. Let me equation 1 already take it 1, equation 1. Now each term divided by AB square. Then what happened? AB square by AB square plus BC square by AB square is equal to AC square by AB square. Next simplify, square is common, that's why AB by AB whole square plus square is common, BC by AB whole square is equal to AC by AB whole square. Now AB by AB how much children? 1, that means AB length for example 10. Again AB length 10, 10 by 10 how much? 1, that's why 1 square 1 plus BC by AB. BC by AB, which trigonometric ratio definition that is? Tan theta, that means tan A. Square is there, tan square A is equal to AC by AB. AC by AB. So AC by AB means what's it? Hypotenuse by adjacent. Which trigonometric ratio? Secant theta, that means secant A. Square is there, secant square A. So final one 1 plus tan square A equal to secant square A. So this is equation 3. So what we are observing, this equation is true for all A because A value sin 0 0, cos 0 1. What about 90? For 90 it is not true because tan 90 secant 90 not possible, not defined, already know. So that's why condition not important. This identity is true for angle A lies between 0 less than 90. Okay, see 0 degrees less than or equal to angle A less than 90. So angle A not equal to 90. Are observing? Okay, this is the second identity. 1 plus tan square A equal to secant square A. Okay, next we have third identity. Next, same equation you can consider and dividing each term of 1 by BC square. So what we got it? AB square by BC square plus BC square by BC square is equal to AC square by BC square. Now each fraction separately write. AB by BC whole square plus BC by BC whole square equal to AC by BC whole square. Now AB by BC. AB by BC, which trigonometric ratio definition? Cot. So this is cot square A plus BC by BC value what? 1 square value 1. AC by BC. See, AC means hypotenuse, but BC opposite. Hypotenuse by opposite. Which trigonometric ratio definition? Cosecant. So cosecant square A. So third into what children? Cot square A plus 1 equal to cosecant square A. This is the fourth equation in this problem. So cosecant A and cot A not defined for A equal to 0. We already know by trigonometric ratio table. But this equation value for 0 less than angle A less than equal to 90. So condition also important. First trigonometric ratio 0 to 90 possible. What about second trigonometric identity? 0 but not 90. 0 is valid but not 90. Here 0 not valid, 90 is equal. Condition also important. These three are called trigonometric identities. Okay children, once I write three identities separately, you can note it down on your running notebook and remember, okay, practice more times, very important. So I noted down 3 identities here and observe it and please note it down. Those identities are very useful for you can solve the problems. Okay. Sin square a plus cos square equal to 1 plus tan square equal to secant square a. Third one plus cot square equal to cosecant square a. Once again repeated along with me. Sin square a plus cos square equal to 1 plus tan square equal to secant square a. 1 plus cot square equal to cosecant square a. So this identity can reverse also, transposition also can apply. So here say some results. If cos square a take that side, then how to write sin square equal to 1 minus cos square a. Sin square is on that side, cos square equal to 1 minus sin square a. From second equation, 1 plus tan square equal to 1 minus secant square a. Now secant, how to write tan square a only if you want. One side that side, secant square a minus 1. Otherwise secant square a same, tan square is on that side, secant square a minus tan square equal to 1. So in nothing but a square minus b square formula. How to write a plus b to a minus b equal to 1. That is nothing but secant a plus tan a into secant a minus tan a equal to 1. Next, third identity result. 1 plus cot square equal to cosecant square a. So cot square is on that side, how to write cosecant square a minus cot square a equal to what? 1. This also again if you want you can explain a square minus b square formula. Cosecant a plus cot a into cosecant a minus cot a equal to 1. This are you can use account to the given problem. Okay, understand? Please note it down very carefully, children. All of you note it down. So in this before writing this, in the place of angle A, if you keep theta, then how to write sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Second one, 1 plus tan square theta equal to secant square theta. 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosecant square theta. So based on the angle, you can change the angle names, but identity is same. Okay, children. Once again repeated. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Next, 1 plus tan square theta equal to secant square theta. Next, 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosecant square theta. Along with 3 identities, deductions also, that means results also have. So both also I can use to solve the identity problems. Are understood? To watch this more videos and updates, remember you can please subscribe the channel. On the red color subscribe button is there, you can click on that. Why I am saying to subscribe every time is, if you subscribe the channel, whenever we upload the video or sometime you can miss the video link, this is useful to connect again. That's why please subscribe. Okay children, thank you.